Let's Get Cooking with Tina. This is our week 7 of our cooking videos, and I've been looking in my cupboards and I have found some store food. So I've got some tinned mushrooms and some sun-dried tomato and garlic couscous. So I thought I'll put them together, roast some vegetables and do a bit of roasted chicken as well. So we'll get on. So what I'm first going to do, 2 bits of chicken are going to go into an oven-proof dish. I'm going to put some butter on top of the chicken and then add the onions around it for flavour. Yeah, okay. So I've prepared my chicken. So we're going to put that in the oven, which is preheated at 180. So that's going to go in for, it says 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to actually do the timer for 30 and then we'll check it. So the next step is we're going to roast our vegetables, so I need to cut them up. So there's different varieties on the actual recipe, there's aubergines and different things, but what I'm going to use is a courgette, onion, red pepper and tomato, because they're the foods that I like. So, and of course we're going to have some garlic. So what I'm going to do is just start chopping the vegetables up. That I'm going to be using. So I'll put some oil in the pan. So I'll just pop them in there like that. I'm not going to put the tomatoes in yet because the tomatoes don't take that long to roast, so they'll just go sort of 10 minutes at the end. Alright, so as you can see it's all in the pan. So I'm going to take my cloves of garlic. I've found some mixed herbs that I'm just going to sprinkle over my veg. All adds to the nice flavour. Cover it over with foil. And then we're going to pop it in the oven. So then these will be done together and we'll see the end result. We will take out the roasted veg. We'll have a look and see what these are doing. We'll mix these round. These smell nice as well, don't they? So we're going to leave this for another 10 minutes. So if you can remember what I said at the beginning, so we're going to put our tomatoes in. 10 minutes. Because obviously the tomatoes, if they're kept in for too long, they will go very mushy. Just going to put that back over, like that. With care, taking your... There you go, and shut the lid. So that now, the timer is on for another 10 minutes, so we'll come back in 10 minutes and see how we get on. So like I said at the beginning, I found some sliced mushrooms and some sun-dried tomato couscous, which you just literally add it with hot water and leave it for 5 minutes. So these were in my cupboard, so I went out and bought the chicken and the fresh vegetables to have some roasted veg, and it just gives me just makes me think then what can I use with these, which is quite a nice healthy meal. So we're going to tip the couscous, this is really easy, tip the couscous into there and then we're going to add the hot water. And what you do, you prepare it for the instructions on the actual packet, which is just 175 ml of water to the couscous. If you think you want a bit more, then you can just add a bit more. So what we do now, I mean that looks a bit watery, but what you do, you leave this for 5 minutes and then the couscous soaks up all the water. So we'll do that. And the mushrooms that we can just quickly heat up in the microwave, we'll just take the lid off, put the mushrooms in there. So when that couscous is ready, we'll just pop these in for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to leave them in there for now. I'm going to put a lid on so that the hot water or the mixture doesn't go all over the place. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take out our chicken because it's been 10 minutes.